Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a highly practical and honestly, perhaps a little unexpected path for anyone out there seeking a career change. We are looking at exactly why becoming a lettings negotiator is easily one of the most accessible and genuinely rewarding career pivots you can make right now in the UK. So, let's just dive right into this by asking a simple question. Are you ready for a fast-moving career pivot at literally any age? If you've been searching for a role that's visible, highly people-facing, and packed with clear progression, have you actually considered the property industry? I know, a lot of people just rule it out, right? They assume they need years of super-specific real estate experience, but you absolutely don't, and we're going to show you exactly why that's a total myth. First off, the sheer scale of this opportunity is massive. We are talking about huge, nationwide UK demand right now. Lettings negotiators are desperately needed everywhere. You've got your independent high street agencies, your massive national chains, and of course the rapidly growing build-to-rent sector, where entire building developments are designed specifically for tenants. And let's be clear, this isn't just about sitting quietly behind a desk all day. This is real, on your feet, fast-moving sales activity. It offers genuine career growth and visible progression no matter what stage of your working life you're currently in.
Which brings us to Section 1, your AI Assistant Advantage, getting real help from day one. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Modern technology here acts as a literal cheat code for career changers. If you've ever felt intimidated by all that administrative heavy lifting, well, AI is now built right into your workflow to genuinely help you from your very first day. It drafts your first-pass emails, it preps your call scripts, and it even takes your messy, hastily typed viewing notes and magically turns them into beautifully clean applicant records in your CRM. It completely removes those traditional, frustrating barriers to entry.
But the absolutely crucial point here is understanding the balance. AI happily takes care of the repetitive drudgery, the first-pass messages, the system updates. But AI cannot replace legal compliance. It can't exercise human judgment, and it certainly can't read the room to build genuine trust with a stressed-out landlord. That is exactly why you are needed. The AI handles the admin so you can focus completely on the parts of the job that desperately need a human touch.
Moving right along to Section 2, the day-to-day reality. Let's look at your dynamic routine.
Okay, so what does your day actually look like on the ground? Well, your schedule is incredibly dynamic. You're constantly speaking with landlords and applicants, really getting in there to deeply understand their needs. You're arranging and physically conducting property viewings. You're actively playing matchmaker, trying to get the right people into the perfect properties. And crucially, you'll be carefully keeping deals moving through all the necessary compliance and paperwork. It is fast-paced, and I promise you, no 2 days are ever exactly the same.
Up next is Section 3, the highs and lows, the honest reality of the role.
Look, to give you an unvarnished, 100% honest reality here, you are absolutely going to face the frustration of chasing emails when people suddenly go quiet. You'll deal with those dreaded viewing no-shows. And yeah, you'll handle endless compliance paperwork. That's just part of the territory, right? But the emotional payoff, handing someone the keys to their new home and knowing you match the right applicant to the right property, it's huge. You're constantly building your own confidence in communication and negotiation. Plus, the progression is highly visible. You can quickly step up into senior lettings roles, valuations, or even branch management. If you've got the right mindset, the highs vastly outweigh the lows. Let's look at Section 4, Compliance and Renters' Rights, the important rules of the game. Of course, helping people with their homes is highly regulated work, and there is a massive legislative milestone fast approaching. Your goal today is to build incredibly accurate processes and solid habits right now. Why? Because on May 1st, 2026, the sweeping changes of the Renters' Rights Act officially take effect. Because lettings is a regulated space, having strict compliance from your very first day has quite literally never been more critical. The industry desperately needs highly organized people who can safely and confidently navigate these new rules.
Which leads us perfectly to Section 5. Is this role for you? The ideal candidates.
So, you might be sitting there wondering, do my current skills even translate into this fast-paced environment? Well, whether you're coming from retail, hospitality, care work, or general admin, you already have the foundation. Seriously, the key traits here aren't about having deep, encyclopedic property knowledge. They are about being energetic, organized, resilient, and confident with follow-ups. If you have those core human traits and a genuine willingness to learn the market, this career change is absolutely achievable for you at absolutely any age.
Finally, Section 6, your next step,
how to start right now. If this explainer has sparked your curiosity even a little bit, and you're ready to explore this path completely risk-free, we have the perfect starting point for you. Head over to LELAIL.com to access the voice-first interactive course. It's incredibly available in over 100 languages. All you do is simply tell the AI, start the Lettings Negotiator taster course. The tech barriers are gone, and the demand for real human connection in this industry is higher than it has ever been. So the only question left is, are you going to let a lack of property experience hold you back, or are you ready to finally use your human skills to build a truly lucrative career?